Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you the challenges in my book Notion template, as well as how to create aesthetic book covers. The reading challenge is a set of books organized by a special theme. The primary purpose of a reading challenge is to motivate and inspire you to read regularly. In this challenge, I've already read 2 books, and the progress bar shows how many more I need to finish. To include a new book, simply click the Read Now button. Excellent. Check my video about how to keep track of your books. Now I'll create a new book challenge that I found a good reader list to do in 2024. The 52 Book Club website has curated Goodreads lists for almost every challenge prompt. These lists offer a wealth of inspiration. Next, I'll copy the list to my Notion page. I keep organized to find the perfect book. Then I open the link with a collection of mystery books. I'll choose one by Agatha Christie. To avoid repeating a book, I search the title into the search bar. If it's missing, I add it to a new page. Now, we'll create an aesthetic cover for this book. On the Place It web, you have a collection of book cover mockups. First, upload the image that you like. Adjust the zoom level and resize the image. Then press crop option. Repeat the same steps for the book spine. After that, consider downloading the image in higher resolution, or capture a screenshot. If you choose the second option, employ this web to remove the background from the image. All that's left is to upload the book cover to the Notion template. Pretty awesome. Now you can create your own bookshelf with challenges, helping you maintain your reading habit. Feel free to leave your comment, and don't forget to check out my previous video about this template. See you soon. Goodbye.